Hey guys, welcome back to Daily English Pronunciation.
Today, we're going to fix one of the most common pronunciation mistakes, the word receipt. Have you ever said receipt? Well, that's wrong. But don't worry. We'll fix it together.
So the correct way to say it is receipt. Listen carefully. Receipt.
The letter P in receipt is silent. We don't pronounce it at all. Let's repeat it together 3 times. Receipt, receipt, receipt. Good job! Now let's practice using it in real sentences. Can I have the receipt, please?
I lost my receipt from yesterday.
You'll need your receipt to get a refund.
See? It's simple. Remember, don't say recipient, say receipt. The P is silent.
Awesome work today! You just learned how to pronounce receipt like a native speaker. Keep practicing. Say it 3 times every day, and soon it'll sound natural to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below what word you want me to fix next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow on Daily English Pronunciation. Bye!